Welcome to Storytime at the Everman Public Library. Today's story is The Dog by Anonymous. Follow along with the story below. Do you see that dog and the hen? The dog bit the hen, and she was mad. My dog bit a fox on the hip. One day the fox bit the dog on the lip and ran off. Tom and I had a canvas and easel, and we set off to paint the fox. But the sun was so hot, we did not go far, but sat on the hay and had fun. Comprehension questions. What did the dog do to the hen? What bit the fox on the hip? What bit the fox on the lip? What did Tom have? Vocabulary. Dog, a four-legged animal with a pointed face that is kept as a pet. Manuel and Valerie never had a pet dog before. Hen, a girl chicken. Mad, being angry at someone or something. Bit, past tense of to bite. Joaquin bit the red apple. Canvas, a strong cloth used to make sails, tents, and surfaces for painting. Easel, a frame that supports an artist's work. Paint, a colored thing that is used to cover something. Joe's dad painted the room blue. Answers to the comprehension questions are in the description below. Thank you for coming to Storytime at the Everman Public Library. We look forward to seeing you again.